Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the minimum number of times a fair coin need to be tossed so that the probability of getting at least two head is at least 0.96. So, minimum it should be this. Okay. So, minimum means what? It is minimum. It can have 97.97, 0.98. Okay, so it can be greater than equal to 0.96. Okay, now look at this. These guys are talking about at least two head. So you know that if they will talk about at least two head, you have to convert this thing into exactly. So two head, three head, four heads, five head, dot dot dot, n head. So there are so many cases, no? So in this kind of situation, we will apply the concept of bijection. You know that if we will write down all the probability of getting 0 heads plus 1 heads plus 2 head plus 3 head plus dot 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 n head, the sum of all these probability will be equal to 1, and the required is at least 2 head. Means, can I say that 1 minus 0 head minus 1 head will give you the required answer, and it should be greater than or equal to 0.96. Okay, now try to solve this question. So we have 1 minus probability of having 0 head. 0 head means what? Suppose that there are like total number of n times you are throwing a coin. So can I go with nc0? Probability of having head is 1 by 2. It should have power as 0, and then probability of having tail is 1 by 2 power n. Okay, also you should, like in next case you want one head, so nc1 1 by 2 power 1, and then we want 1 by 2 power n minus 1 greater than equal to 96 by 100. Now be super slow. Let's simplify things. So 1 minus nc0 is 1, something to the power 0 is 1, and then we are left with 1 by 2 power n minus nc1 is n, base same power add, it is 1 by 2 power n greater than equal to 96 by 100. Now you can send this thing this side, and we will be left with 4 by 100 greater than or equal to 1 by 2 n plus 1 power n. So you have to find out the value of n for which this inequality hold true, and you have to do hit and trial. So you will be using 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. You have to keep on doing this thing till you will find out the real value of n for which this inequality hold true. Okay, so just do it, and if you will get n equals to 8, so the minimum value of n will be 8, then it is correct answer. I have told you the answer. Now you have to apply hit and trial thing to get the required result done. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.